In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently transfer design elements between Webflow projects. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or bringing consistency across different projects, this step-by-step guide will ensure you're moving elements seamlessly and effectively. To begin, make sure you have both of your Webflow projects open in the Designer. This means launching the Webflow Designer interface for both the project you're intending to copy from and the one you're aiming to copy to. This setup will allow for a smoother transition as you move elements between projects. Next, you want to navigate to the project from which you're copying your elements. Find the specific elements within this project that you're interested in transferring. You can select a single element if that meets your needs, or opt for multiple elements. To select multiple items efficiently, hold down the Shift key, or make use of the Navigator panel on the left-hand side of the Designer. The Navigator can be particularly helpful for more complex structures, as it allows you to see and select nested elements easily. Once you've selected the elements you need, it's time to copy them. Here, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a Windows device, or Command+C if you're using a Mac. This simple step captures your chosen designs and prepares them for pasting into your new project. Switching gears, move over to your second project in the Designer. This is where you're going to paste the previously copied design elements. Identify the exact area where you want these elements to be placed. It could be a specific section or even a blank area you've set up for these new additions. When you're ready, execute the paste command with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This action will efficiently place your copied elements into your new project. If you're managing multiple sections or elements, simply repeat these straightforward copying and pasting steps as necessary. Whether you're dealing with individual sections like headers and footers or larger portions of the page, consistency is key. An efficient trick involves encapsulating multiple elements within a single div before you copy, allowing for a comprehensive transfer of all contents as if they're a single piece. This can be particularly helpful if you're looking to move entire pages or comprehensive sections with complex designs. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can ensure that your design elements are transferred seamlessly between Webflow projects. This method not only saves time, but also helps maintain a consistent design language across your web projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat this process to get comfortable with it. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.